everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Friendly. In today's class, we will do question number 8 of exercise 1.2 of first chapter Knowing Our Numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. So now let us read the question. A student multiplied 7236 by 65. What the student did? The student multiplied 7236 by 65. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. Instead of multiplying by 56. Now I will give you one example. Suppose I tell you to multiply 10 by 7. Okay, I am telling to multiply 10 by 7. So it should be, you should do this. But what you did, instead of multiplying by 7, you multiplied it by 8. I told you to multiply 10 by 7. But instead of multiplying by 7, you multiplied 10 by 8. You did this. So what I said was to multiply 10 by 7 and you multiplied it by 8. So instead of multiplying by 7, you multiplied by 8. So your answer will be more. This will be 80, right? And this will be 70. 10 into 8 will be 80 and 10 into 7 will be 70. So you should get this answer because I told you to multiply 10 by 7. But you multiplied it by, instead of multiplying by 7, you multiplied it by 8. So you got the answer 80. So what will be by how much was your answer will be greater than the correct answer? The correct answer should be this one because I told you to multiply 10 by 7. So this should be the correct answer. So how much more, by how much was your answer greater than the correct answer? So what we will do? We will do 80 minus 70. So your answer will be 10 more than the correct answer because the correct answer will be 70 but you got 80. So you got 10 more than the correct answer. So what we did? We subtracted 70 from 80 and we got this. So the result which you got is 10 more than the correct answer. So here also the same thing. See, a student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. Instead of 7236 by 56. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. He should multiply it by 56 but he multiplied it by 65. By mistake, he multiplied by 65. But he should multiply by 56. Okay. So by how much his answer greater than the correct answer? So he multiplied by 65. See, a student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. Means he should multiply by 56. But instead of multiplying by 56, he multiplied this number by 65. So his answer will be more because 65 is more than 56. Okay, he should multiply by 56 but he multiplied by 65 and 65 is bigger than 56. So his answer will be greater. His answer will be greater, right? And this will be the smaller one. But he should actually multiply by 56 but by mistake he multiplied by 65. So by how much his answer greater than the correct answer? So this will be greater and this will be less. So by how much it will be greater? What we should do? We should subtract. Okay. We should, like we subtracted. I gave you the example, you should multiply by 7 but instead of 7 you multiplied 10 by 8. Then by how much? Then by how much your answer is greater than the actual answer? We have subtracted. So 80 minus 70. So it will be 10. So your answer will be was 10 more than the actual answer, right? The actual answer should be this, because I told to multiply by 7, but by mistake you multiplied by 8 and your answer became 10 more than the actual answer, because your answer is this and the actual answer should be 70. So by how much his answer will be greater than the correct answer, so we will subtract and we will get. So now we can do the solution. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. So he should multiply this number by 56. Then by how much was his answer greater? His answer will be this, because he multiplied by 75 by 65. So by how much his answer is greater, we will subtract. Okay, so this will be the answer. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? The correct answer should be this, because he should multiply by 56, but he multiplied by 65. So what we will do, this number is multiplied by 65 minus this number is multiplied by 56. So this number is common in both, right? This 7236 is there in this also and here also. So we will take it common, we will take it out, and what will remain here? 65 will remain, right? Okay, and minus sign will come as it is, and this we have taken out, so here 56 will remain inside. See what we did? We have to subtract this from this. Okay, so this is there in both the numbers 7236, 7236. We have taken it out. So, and we will take one bracket, and 65 remains inside, minus sign remains inside, and 7236 we have taken out. So what remains inside? 56 remains inside. Now what we will do? 7236, this bracket means multiplication. Okay, this bracket here, see, this bracket here means multiplication. 65 minus 56. Now 65 minus 56 is what? See, 65 minus 56. 5 minus 6 not possible, so we'll take one carry, and 15 minus 6 is 9. This becomes 5. It is 0. So this is 9. 65 minus 56 is 9. Now this will be multiplied with 9. So what answer we will get? See, 7236 multiplied by 9. See here. 9 6 are 54. 5 carry. 9 is 27 plus 5, 33. Sorry, 32. 3 carry. And then 9 2 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 2 carry. 9 7 is 63. 64, 65. 65. So this is 65, 1, 2, 4. This is 65,124. So understood the question? It was little confusing. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. He should multiply by 56, but he multiplied it by 65. So by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? So this answer, his answer will be greater than this answer, because this he multiplied by a bigger number, and this was the actual number was smaller, but by mistake he multiplied by a bigger number. So his answer will be bigger. So what we will do now? This 7236 is common in both. So we will take it out. Multiplication sign is there. We have put multiplication sign. We'll take one bracket. For this, what remains inside? 65 remains inside. Minus sign we will take. And for this we have already taken this number out here. So 56 will remain inside. We'll close the bracket. Now 7236 multiplied. 65 minus 56 is 9. Now this number should be multiplied by 9 and we get this result. So his answer will be this much greater by the actual. By how much was his answer greater? So by mistake he multiplied by this and his answer became this much greater by the actual answer. Okay, the actual answer should be less, but his answer is this much greater than the actual answer. Understood? In the next class, we will do question number 9 of this exercise 1.2. If you like the video, then share with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. Till then, take care. Bye.